Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I am sharing with you my new buys. Actually this is a haul video. I have quite a few things to show you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this. This is a makeup and a skincare haul. Mostly makeup and little bit things of skincare. So yes, without any rambling, let's get started. The first things which I will show you is that from Maybelline. I have categorized all things according to the brands. So first I have got this lipstick which is like this, and this is the color. I am wearing it right now, and this is in the shade Pink Alert. Wait. Yes, this is in the shade Pink Alert. And this is a very nice fuchsia pink. I really like this color. This is the color. And the next thing which I have got from Maybelline is this mascara. This is the Magnum Barbie mascara. Maybelline has recently launched this mascara and I'm excited to use this. This one is 399 rupees. If you guys want a review of this mascara, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to do a review of this mascara. So Maybelline is done, and the next thing which I have got is an eyeshadow quadrat. This is by Blue Heaven. This is the packaging. These are the colors. I really like these colors. These eyeshadows are very good for daily wear. I really like to use them, and I will be surely using them in my next videos. These are the swatches 1, 2, 3, 4. This has really great pigmentation, but this color over here is not so very pigmented, and other 3 colors are really pigmented. Look at this white shade. This is so nice for highlight. And the next brand is of Revlon. I have only got 2 products from Revlon. Got this Color Stay concealer. I am in the shade medium. I am really looking forward to use this concealer because I have heard so many good things about this concealer. So yeah, that's that. And the next product which I have got is this single eyeshadow from Revlon, and this is in the shade Copper. I really like this color, that's why I have bought it. So this is the color, and the swatch of this is this is the swatch. This is a corally golden shade which I really like. And the next brand is Color Essence. I have got 3 products from Color Essence. One is this Color Essence Super Extend Liquid Liner. I really like this liner. So let me open. This is the tip of the liner. I really like it. This has a fine tip. I am really excited to use this, and I have already used it. This liner is waterproof and is very affordable. I think this one costs around 110 rupees. Sorry, I forgot to mention the other prices. I will be listing the prices in the description bar below because I have forgot to mention the prices. And the next product I have got from Color Essence is this Pearl Finish eyeshadow. This is a simple packaging, black cover, nothing so serious, and the color looks like this. This is a very maroonish reddish eyeshadow. I am really looking forward to play with this eyeshadow. I have swatched it onto my hand before while I bought it, and I was really happy that I have bought it. Look how the color is so pigmented. I really like it. I really like it, and I'm excited to use it. And this one costs around 200 to 50 rupees. And the next thing which I have got from Color Essence family is this mascara again. This is the Color Essence Eyes Spy mascara. This one costs around 295 rupees. I really like it. So I have heard so many good things about this mascara, that's why I had to buy it. So yes guys, if you want any review of any of the products which I am showing, then please don't hesitate and do let me know in the comment section below. The next brand which I have got is from Sivana Colors. I have got this blusher. The packaging is same. I have got this for rupees 200. This one is super corally pinky shade which I really like. Wait, I'll be swatching you. This is the swatch. This one has a powdery finish which I really like. I am excited to use it. These blushes have no shades and it has only numbers, and I'm in the shade 02. And this is the eyeshadow which I have got from Sivana Colors. This says classic earth tone eyeshadow palette, and I am in the shade 03, and this one costs me around 300, and I have bought it from Kolkata. Many of you guys don't know where to find Sivana Colors eyeshadows or Miss Claire. So yes, these are the 6 colors. The outer packaging looks like this, and let me open and show you the inner packaging of it. Wait, this is what it looks like from the inner packaging, and after I open it, it looks like this. It has no mirror, which is a big negative point, but yes, these colors are really pigmented. I have heard, I have swatched it in the shop and I really liked it. So just wait, I'll be swatching you the colors. These are the 6 colors of Sivana palette, earth tone palette. As you can see, these colors are really pigmented. This one is very affordable. There were many things which I didn't buy because they were telling that now they were not having good stock, so they told me to wait for a month because they will be importing things. So after a month I will go, and now I filmed this haul video because I wanted to use these eyeshadows and the stuffs which I have bought in my recent videos. That's why I am showing it. In the next time if I buy any Sivana Colors makeup, then I'll be surely sharing with you guys what I have bought. So this is the palette which I have got. This is the last product from Sivana Colors. I'll be buying more Sivana Colors products soon, and I promise you that. Next, I have got 2 things from Swiss Beauty. This is the lip liner which I have got from Swiss Beauty. I have not yet opened it, and I don't know whether I can show you the swatch or not. And I am in the shade Lovely Pink L12, and this one costed me around rupees 80. If you want the swatch of this lip liners, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And the next thing which I have got from Swiss Beauty is this Matte Me Lip Cream. I really don't like this product. I have used it once. I have not used it actually. After I bought it and I came back home, and then I just tried it onto my lips, and I didn't like the formula of this lipstick. So this is the Swiss Beauty Matte Me range which I have got. Wait, let me show you. Yes, this is the one. This is the swatch of this Matte Me lipstick. I hope you guys can see this. Yes, I really like the color of this lipstick, but the thing is that it is so drying that even if you use a baby oil or a cream, it refuses to fade. After a few hours you will feel like you have some kind of painted on your lips. It looks very kind of thing. These are the 2 products which I have got from Swiss Beauty, and let's see. Let's come with Miss Claire's. I have got 4 lip pencils from Miss Claire. So these all are packaged and I cannot open it, so only one. This one is not packaged, or else others are packaged. So I cannot really show you the swatch of these lip liners. I will be telling you the shade number. It is the first one is Cotton Pink L23, and the second one is Angel Pink L22, and the third one is Romantic Pink L28, and the last one is Floral Pink L27. And this all lip liners costed 50 each, that is 200. Yes, that's that. And the next thing which I have got from Miss Claire is this Studio Perfect Professional Makeup Primer. I really like this product. This one costed me around rupees 400, I guess. Yes, it's a clear white color which I really like. And the next thing which I have got from Miss Claire is these 2 eyeshadows. One is in the shade 0249 and the next one is 0656. So 0656 looks like this orangey shade. I really like this shade. And the next shade which I have got is this 0249, and the color looks like this. This is a pinky shade which I really like. These are the two swatch of the eyeshadows. The pink one is very pigmented, it's very creamy, but the orange one is of a powdery finish. I actually wanted to buy more eyeshadows like this, but I saw that the shop was not having much collection, so the uncle told me that you come same thing after 1 month, then I will have the collection, you will get the full range, I think, of Miss Claire. So after 1 month I'll be going there and I will be shopping from there. So yes, I actually wanted to buy more of these eyeshadows, but I couldn't. And the last thing which I have got is obviously, like, Miss Claire means one thing, is this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. Yes, I have got this one. I have used it once onto my lips and I really, guess what, I really liked it. Everyone likes it. Like, I have heard so many good things about this. I am in this shade 08. That uncle only had 2-3 shades, and out of that I only chose 08. And the same thing I would repeat, that I'll be buying after a month. I'll be going to that shop after a month, because that uncle told me to go after a month because he will have new stocks then. So even he told that he will call me up and let me know when the stocks come. So yes, I will be going there. I'm so sad that I bought only one Miss Claire lip cream, but I wanted to buy 7-8, but I couldn't. And this one costed me around 190 rupees. So yeah, that's that. And if you guys want to know from where I have got this Miss Claire lip creams, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will let you know from where I have got these Miss Claire products from Kolkata. I have not got Sivana Colors and Miss Claire from the same shop. There were two different shops. So if you want to know from where I have got it, then do let me know. And the star of the show, of the makeup haul, is this Real Techniques brushes. Oh my god, look at these brushes. I have got these 6 brushes. I have got these makeup brushes at rupees 1100. I think that was a good deal. These are the 6 brushes which I have got, and I really like them. These are so nice, so soft. The first one which I have got is called the Multitask brush. This is the brush, and this is so soft. I really like it. I really like it. You can use this for powder form, or to apply your foundation, or to contour your face, anything. And the next second brush which I have bought is this brush. This is called the setting brush. You can set your concealer, or while baking your under eyes, you can do so many things. Even you can contour your face with this brush. I really like. I have used it once after I got it, because I was so excited to try it. And I have used my highlighter. I just applied my highlighter and I wanted to see how it shows, like, while highlighting for. And the third brush which I have got is the buffing brush. Yes, this is the foundation brush. You can apply powder on your face, you can apply blush on your face, you can apply. Buffing brush is only for, I think, foundation. Yes, other than foundation you can do so many things with this single brush. And the fourth brush which I have got is this pointed foundation brush. This is the pointed foundation brush. I hope you guys can see it. And I think, and this brush is best to conceal your under eyes, to apply it around your mouth for the pigmentation. This just do your job for that. Foundation, this small brush for foundation, it will take a lot of time to do your foundation, but I think this one will do best for concealing your face. And the fifth brush which I have got is this Essential Crease brush. Look, hope you guys can see this. Yes, this one is really good to apply color on your crease area, to highlight your inner corner, to highlight your cupid's bow, because this is a small brush and this is a multi-purpose brush. This really will blend your eyeshadows really well. And the last brush which I have got is this fine liner brush. yes, this has really thin bristles which I really like, and which will help you to line your eyes, upper lash line, lower lash line knots. I really like it. So that's that. So that I have finished my makeup haul in this way, and I have 2-3 products to show you for my skincare. And the first thing which I have got is this deodorant by Dr. Batra, which I really like. This has good smell. I really like the smell. Actually, it's very a strong smell. During summers, I really like strong perfumes. So that's that. And the next thing which I have got is what we all need during summers is this sunscreen. I have showed you this sunscreen in my summer essentials video. If you guys haven't checked that, please go and check that video. So yes, I like this sunscreen, and this one is priced as just rupees 195, which is really nice. So yes, I have got this sunscreen, and the next thing which I have got is this Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem face wash. I swear by this face wash. I always use this face wash, and yes, I'm using this face wash for the last I guess 2-3 years, and I'm really liking it. And this one is priced at just rupees 130. And the next thing which I have got is this Patanjali aloe vera gel. Oh my god, I so adore this product. This one is so nice, so nice for summers, for winters. I use this aloe vera gel all over the year. This product has acted as a miracle for my skin. There is so much of blemishes and all that, but this one product has and I use this aloe vera gel while going off to sleep at night. This one is priced at rupees 80. And the next and the last thing which I have got, I guess, is this shampoo. This one is L'Oreal Paris Fall Resist 3X Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo, up to 90% hair fall reduction. This is the thing. I am using hair fall shampoos for the past 3-4 months, because for the I was having a lot of hair fall which was ruining my life, and I was so worried. After using this shampoo, I don't have much hair fall problem. I have also started taking care of my hair, and I have also started using hair packs, homemade hair packs from my hair. If you guys want to know, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you. I am using this shampoo for quite a long time, and I am really liking it. And this one is priced at rupees 275. This is the product. I really like it, and this one smells really nice, flowery smell, which I really like. And this also says that it nourishes from the root, reduces breakage, hair grows stronger, and arginine essence. That's this. I really like this shampoo. You guys should try this out if you have any hair fall problems, because I think this is a solution, because this was the solution. This is the solution for me. So that's that, and this is how I finished my haul. I don't know how long it will be. If you guys like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. And if this is the first time you are watching me, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. And if you guys have any video requests, then please do let me know in the comment section below. So yes, bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.